We begin with a raw casting directly from our very own foundry that is ready to be machined on one of our 4 brand new, industry-leading 3 and 5 axis NC mills. Here we have one of our two AWEAs, our large, heavy-duty 3-axis NC machines. Here we are running a 1/2-inch finished contour remachine to clear radii and sharpen fine details, while running a flood coolant to maximize tool life expectancy. Moving on to our high-speed 5-axis department, we begin with our air pack. Here you can see the advantages of the 5-axis, allowing us to rotate our tool in any direction on any axis, giving us the ability of running the shortest tool available. With a combination of a 5-axis and short tooling, we're able to hold extremely tight tolerances on many different sizes and shapes of finished surface. Here we were running a high-speed 2-inch Z-level rough on our and one of the industry's fastest, largest, and most technologically advanced mills, our FUCA. This mill has the ability to cut at 25,000 millimeters a minute and a table large enough to hold an entire body side. We end with a world-class finish that requires minimum to no barbering before being assembled for production stamping.